Even if the card expires, you are still a permanent resident until one of two things happens. One, an immigration judge orders you removed from the United States, or two, you voluntarily sign Form I-407 to voluntarily abandon your permanent residence. Until one of these two things happen, your status is still technically permanent resident. So, to summarize, no, you cannot get deported just because you lose your green card if you are still a permanent resident. Now, there is a civil penalty. I think it's like $50 if you don't have the physical green card on you. Like all things immigration, it's not criminal. And I've never actually seen this civil penalty enforced. In fact, once my clients get a green card, I usually just tell them, like, save a copy of it, keep the copy on you, don't keep the original, because if you lose it, it's gonna cost us like $500 minimum government filing fee to replace it, and it could take up to a year for the new green card to arrive, and this is not really enforced. Legally, you have to keep the card on you, but if you don't, the consequences are very minimal, and the consequences of losing and having to replace the card are pretty dramatic, especially if you're gonna need to like travel or get a new job during that time. It could really complicate your ability to prove that you're a permanent resident.